basics, basically. Trusting in my G-O-D. I believe all he told me in my B-I-B-L-E. Blessings every day I see in my life and family, guiding me so faithfully with love and grace, clothes and destiny. Back to the basics, basically. Trusting in my G-O-D. I believe all he told me in my B-I-B-L-E. Calling all to take a stand. Join each other hand in hand, with feet to walk the path that's right. Inspiring hearts now filled with light. Back to the basics, basically. Trusting in my G-O-D. I believe all he My mom would always tell me there'd be times she couldn't help, and in these times that I found out just who God is for myself, He's making everyone, every way forevermore. All of us can always trust God is all of that, God is all of that, God is all of that, and more. When you're feeling lonely and you need someone to call, just remember God is there and He loves us one and all. He's everything to everyone, every way forevermore. All of us can always trust God is all of that and more. Clap, clap, clap. God is all of that. God is all of that. My mom would always say, clap, clap, clap.
God is all of that.
And more. Clap, clap, clap.
God is all of that. When I was just a little one learning how to pray, Mom would tell me stories every night to build my faith.
And more. Clap, clap,
So
clap.
to all my little friends,
And more. Clap, clap, clap.
hope you listen, man. She said, hold on to the goodness even when it's hard. God's love is always with you, so remember just to trust your heart.
Clap, clap, clap.
God is all of that.
And more.
God is all of that. Jeez, every way for everyone, every way forevermore. All of us can always trust God is all of that.
And more. Clap, clap, clap.
God is all of that.
And more. Clap, clap, clap.
God is all of that.
God is all of that. Is all of that. And more. Clap, clap, clap.
God is all of that.
And more.
This is a Mocha Media mock-up.
In the darkest night, you are my
This
light.
is a Mocha Media mock-up.
In the storm, you hold me tight. With every step I take, you're by my side,
This
guiding me with love so wide. Lord of all praise, giver of life, and we honor you, Jesus. We sing your name. All my life is yours. All my life is yours. Every breath I take. All my life is yours.
Here's where you check the facts, investigate the scene where he came back.
We are lifelong learners in the Word of God.
I'm a lifelong learner.
In the Word of God. Lifelong learner.
I'm a lifelong learner. Here's where you talk against as a witness to God's grace.
We are lifelong learners in the Word of God.
I'm a lifelong learner.
In the Word of God.
Lifelong learner. I'm a lifelong learner. Word of God.
We are lifelong learners.
I'm lifelong learner.
In the Word of God.
Just keep going.
We are lifelong learners.
This is a Mocha Media mock-up.
We're young, we're fly. You're looking at God's masterpiece. We're bright, we're bold. Our love for Him is solid gold. Unapologetically members of His family. Didn't know. Once there was a boy with stones and a sling. Even though he was small, had big faith in our King. Like Him we trust. When giants come our way, because we know that God's leading the way. We're young.
I remember the day back when I was young. Before my heart opened, I was just having fun. I remember the sound, it started so small, when there came a whisper and I heard His call. And I started to see the love of the Lord shining on me. And so bright and renewed, my heart opened wide, filled with His truth.
This is a Mocha Media Mock-Up.
And now every morning I wake up and pray, thankful for blessings He sends me each day. With friends and family I share His great love, guided by His light from heaven above. And I started to see the love of the Lord shining on me. And so bright and green.
Mocha Media Mock-Up.
All I need is God, all I need is God, lighting up my path, shining like the sun when the world tells me no. God says yes, in His holy presence, I am truly blessed. Woke up this morning, blessings on my mind, giving thanks to the Lord, troubles left behind. Every step I take, every breath I breathe, wrapped up in His love, guided by belief. I've seen the struggle, I felt all the pain. With God in my life, it's been all for gain. So lift your hands, give praise to the King. With God in your life, you can do anything. Like when the storm clouds come, I won't be afraid. With faith as my armor, I'll never be swayed. Every battle's faced, I know I'm not alone. In His grace and mercy, I have found my God.
Lift your hands, feel the Spirit's call, gather round, there's a love. In this house we stand
Is a Mocha Media Mock-Up.
voices raised in holy harmony. The past
This is a
is
Mocha
gone. New mercies we've been shown. Grace abounds and seeds of faith are seen. Oh, how we
This is a
rejoice
Mocha
today.
Media
This is the day you have made. Voices
Mock-Up. This is a Mocha Media.
Back to the basics, basically trusting in my G.O.D. I believe all He told me in my B-I-B-L-E.
Blessings every day I see
This is a
in my
Mocha
life and
Media Mock-Up.
family, guiding me so faithfully with love and grace so free.
Back to the basics, basically trusting in my G.O.D. I believe all He told me in my B-I-B-L-E.
Blessings every day I see, love and grace flows endlessly, serving Him for all to see, how to live life abundantly.
Back to the basics,